My name is Oluwajoba Detola. I'm Nigerian. I'm 15.
Hi, I am Manuel Arcega. I am 17 and I am Filipino.
Hello, my name is Sumi. I'm from Nigeria.
My name is Luna Nishawati. I'm from Syria. I go to Glonlan Collegiate.
My name is Rodas and I am from Eritrea.
My name is Farida. I'm from Nigeria.
My name is Khaled Al-Nassar. I'm come from Syria.
My hobbies are swimming, watching movies, playing, and sometimes reading. I'm passionate about learning new languages. The languages I'm currently trying to learn are Arabic, French, and Korean. The title of my poster is Racial Diversity. For the background of my poster, I chose black and white because white signifies equality and black signifies power. And I also knew that to be able to speak up for your rights, you need power. My call to action is that whenever anyone sees my poster, they should know that we're all one and we're all the same, and they should educate other people on racism and what they can do to stop it.
There are some people who doesn't know what racism actually is. There are like words, action, or symbol, or an illustration that could hurt someone's race, ethnicity, or nationality. So the title I used for my poster is Same Justice for Everyone. I chose this poster is because everyone doesn't have the same justice, even if you're poor or rich, or like in the middle class, we don't have the same justice. So the technique I used for this poster is illustration. The action I would like is protest. Protest is because there are people who don't hear us or like who are blind. Also educate some people like younger kids who should know more the truth about injustice. So the lessons in this workshop is to know more about justice, and you should know the truth and widen our eyes, especially for the kids and adults who don't want to know the truth and who's also biased in the government.
Nigeria is such a lovely place. It has different people of different ethnicities and cultures that come together, have fun. You go to parties, you hang out with your friends. I would really love to pursue medical school and become a neurosurgeon. So the title of my poster is Speak Up. I chose this title because I think most people nowadays are afraid to speak up about racism. I decided to pick the picture in my poster because I think that racism doesn't only start in the workplace or among adults. I think racism also starts from schools, little kids. So the picture I chose is a picture of a group of non-colored children who bully a colored boy because of his skin color and because of how he looks. And in that picture also, you could see a girl who tries to stand up for the boy and speak up against what those group of people are doing. My call to action is to tell people that they shouldn't be afraid to stand up against racism, and that we are all one and we can all live in harmony because we're all one human race.
My hobbies are reading, writing, and listening to music. In the future, I would like to be a doctor to help people. I decided to participate in the Stand Up to Racism workshop to learn more about racism, improve my English, and meet new people. The title of my poster is We're All Different. I chose this title to show that we don't need to be the same in order to help each other. I drew a basketball player who was injured and a nurse who's helping him, and the takeaway, the call of action of it is we are all different and we don't need to be the same in order to help each other.
My hobbies are playing soccer, watching movies, and going out with friends. I would like to do accounting as my career because it's my childhood dreaming and I'm good in maths. The title of my poster is Unity is the Way to Success. I chose that because I want people to work together in order to achieve success. I drew two hands, one in black color and one in white color that represents the white and black people, and I also drew a trophy in the middle. The white and the black people should work together, and I also wrote on the hands like care, love, respect. Because I want the people to practice love, care, and respect each other.
I love watching K-dramas and puzzles and playing cards. My passion is to become a biosystems engineer. I decided to participate in this workshop to learn more about the racial injustices, not just here in Canada, but all over the world, and also to have basic knowledge in graphic designing. My poster is about discrimination, saying no to discrimination. I used texts like different outside, same on the inside, and I downloaded a picture from Unsplash with hands and the color red in the form of a heart. The red signifies blood, which means inside. Blood is on the inside, so I'm saying that we all bleed the same color of blood. What really matters is what's inside. The problems that are all over in the sector, in different sectors of the country, employment, housing, that there's racism in every single corner. But it is also good to focus on the better part, on the positive light, which is we are not where we used to be hundreds of years ago, and we have definitely evolved, and I think that's what we need to focus on. And have definitely learned from this program to stop microaggression and stop stereotyping, and basically get to know everyone personally and not just judge collectively.
My hobbies is play soccer and swimming. My passion is technology. I want to become a computer engineer. I did decide to come here to learn English and have friends. The title of my own poster, We Can All Eat in Peace. البوستر تبعتي ناس مختلفة قاعدة عم تاكل مع بعض من بلاد مختلفة ومن أجناس مختلفة وقاعدين جنب بعض على سفرة وعم ياكلوا. حابب أوصل من خلال هذا البوستر إنه تنتهي حروب بين الدول ونعيش كلنا بأمان وبراحة ويكون واحد باله مطمن. تعلمت الدروس هون إنه ما تحكم على شخص من مظهره ولو كان ثقافته غير ثقافتك وحتى لو كان بلده غير بلدك.
Okay, so the lessons I learned from this workshop is accepting everyone as we should be and accepting their race, ethnicity, even though we have different race, nationality. And I actually also learned to do Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop.
I learned that you shouldn't prejudge people before you get to know them.
I've learned that not everything can be called racism. Sometimes people might just be curious about you, so we've learned that I shouldn't jump to conclusions.
My takeaway from this program is to stop microaggression, because that's a new word that I learned during this program.
My call to the action is we should work together in order to achieve success.